8 years after its creation, Nissan's Chinese joint venture is the leading maker of Japanese cars in the Middle Kingdom. Tapping rising inland demand is key to Dongfeng Motor Company securing a permanent footing amongst the biggest rollers in the world's largest auto market. Even as industry growth slows, sales west of Beijing and Shanghai will boost Dongfeng sales by about 1 million vehicles a year to 2.3 million by 2015, says the company's president.
Inland area, more than 90% of people is a first buyer, and the amount of people in inland area is huge.
In Henan province alone, a population of around 100 million is comparable to that of Japan, Nakamura says. Dongfeng Nissan's new Venucia brand is designed with China's upwardly mobile first-time buyers in mind. From 2012, the marque promises reasonable prices and Nissan-level quality to customers that today typically buy cheaper models from domestic automakers.
For this level of vehicle, China has a massive market in the second and third tier cities. With Nissan behind it, I'm very confident about Venucia.
That growth potential contrasts with Beijing, where a government policy restricting vehicle ownership licenses has hurt sales this year. Automotive consultant Ashwin Chotai says expansion further west will help maintain high single-digit growth in China, where passenger car sales surged over 50% in 2009 and by a third last year.
Clearly, those sort of percentage growth rates in passenger car demand are not sustainable. On the plus side, ownership levels are still very low, especially away from the major cities and away from the East Coast. So there's incredible scope for increase in passenger car ownership levels, especially outside the big cities.
Nissan CEO Carlos Ghosn says the biggest risk for automakers in China is underestimating demand.
We are very humble in terms of forecast, so we take it year by year. But I want to bet the fact that this market is going to be more than 20 million cars in 2015. Okay, more than 20 million. I mean, more than 20 million. So if we want 10% of this market, we need to have a capacity of 2 million.
Even as the pace of expansion slows in China, Nissan's local venture continues to accelerate.